can't believe this happened. Welcome back, everybody. So today was supposed to be an amazing day filled with a ton of stuff with my car, and I don't know if you can tell from my tone, it did not turn out as I was expecting it to turn out. My car, the follow-up, the Optigo Pro Plus treatment at Craft Detailing, and they were just gonna wash the car and check on it, and then once they finished that, they were gonna install the East Coast Run decals on my car in preparation for the rally that is coming up this coming week. So took my car there, dropped it off, had all that done, and unfortunately I don't have footage of me leaving the house, me driving to the detailer, the detailing process, or any of that. So I apologize in advance. I hope you all understand that I have a legitimate reason. And then the plan was to come over to Prospect Autosport and have the new exhaust that I ordered a couple days ago installed on my car and have that completed, and basically film that whole process, the reveal and all that. I am gonna do bits and pieces of the exhaust unboxing, reveal, and some of the installation, but due to certain factors that I'm gonna mention in a bit, it's not gonna be as thorough, so I do apologize in advance, but I will make sure to get as much as I can filmed today as possible as it's happening, and then I will do a follow-up video and upload that in the future with everything on this new exhaust and explanation as to why I went with this exhaust and what it sounds like and what it feels like, etc. But yeah, so that aside, before we get to the remainder of the video, so what happened to me this morning is, as I was leaving my house on my way to the detailer, as I was going down my steps, I ended up catching a step or slipping or whatever. I don't even know what it really was, but I ended up landing on my left ankle and seriously injuring it. Like it was so bad that it swelled up in a matter of minutes to the size of a softball. Dropped the car off at the detailer to do what they needed to do, and I ended up going to an urgent care that was pretty much down the street. Looks like there's nothing broken or fractured, knock on wood, from what they can see. What they called it was a stage 2 sprain because of the swelling. About 3 weeks estimated time. Kind of stay off my left leg, left ankle as much as I can. They gave me an air cast, is what they call it, just around my ankle. So I just gotta ice it and stay off it as much as possible, which sucks, but it is not. I would much rather have it be this than a broken anything, because then I would this close to the rally, because I gotta make it to that rally, and all these other things that are going on with my car need to be done. So that's where I am right now. That's why I don't have as much footage of the detailing and all the cars that were there. I was having difficulty there, so I do apologize in advance. I will make it up to you all. I will have good footage for the exhaust portion, and I will give you clips of the what the outcome is with the decals on. It looks really good. I'm not a decal person myself, but it came out really good. I think you will all like the color that I chose for the decals.
Look at the clearance on that. Wow. All right, ready. today. That sounds beefy.
Whatever you do, every time I fall before you, if only I knew. Anyway, I fall before you, whatever you do.